Hello, everyone, and thank you for watching your video for today as we go over our bell ringers. Our first question, here we go on this Wednesday. Bell ringer question number 1. It says, list the following integers in order from least to greatest. Now, one of the things that I think is very helpful is to go and do a number line. So here I've drawn a number line, and then I'm going to individually place the numbers as they're listed. So I've got -3. And I plot that point on the line, not above, not below the line, but on the line. And I got 4. And then I'm going to do -9. And I plot my point. I've got a +2, 0, 6, -8, 9, and 7. And now, as I go to put them in order, I'm just going to go left to right. And I'm going to look at the smallest, and that's going to help me determine my smallest all the way out to my largest. So if I look at my number line that I've drawn, -9 is the smallest. It's the furthest to the left on my number line. Then I have -8. Then I have -3. Then I have 0. Then I have 2. Next is 4. Next is 6, 7, and then the largest is 9. So by using by using my number line, I now have made it very easy to be able to determine the order by going from least to greatest, by left to right, just like you read your name. Question number 2, it says true or false. Opposites are the same distance away from 0 in the same direction. Well, that's false. Opposites are the same distance from 0, but they're in different directions. Remember, you have one positive number and one negative number, but they're the same distance away from 0. So both of those things have to be true in order to have to be considered opposites. And then finally, your last question says, what's the least common multiple, the LCM? So look at all this work I had to do to find my LCM. So I took my 10s, and as you can see, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, all the way up, and I had to keep going. And then with my 19s, I did not know my 19s, so that took me a second. 19, 38, 57, 76, 95. I added 20 each time and took off 1. And then finally, I see my least common multiple. Now, there are many multiples that they have in common. It's just that 190 is the least. It is the smallest common multiple they have that is alike. All right, of 10 and 19. So the least common multiple of 10 and 19 is 190. All right, stay tuned to the next video as we go over today's lesson.